No, we're not walking down the hallways of a hotel room. This is the brand new Patient Care Pavilion at Good Samaritan University Hospital. We've been showing you this beautiful new space, and today we're going to take you inside one of these private patient rooms. Let's take a look. Joining me now is the Chief Nursing Officer here at Good Samaritan University Hospital, Karen Fasano. Karen, thank you so much for joining me today.
Oh, Tim, thanks for having me.
This is such a beautiful new place in the pavilion. There are some amazing amenities here, but first, Karen, if we could, just give the viewers an understanding of where we're at in the pavilion and what this unit will be used for.
Sure. The patient was really at the forefront when we designed this building. So this will be a 36-bed all private room to help us provide superior care to our patients.
That's fantastic. And we talked, you walk in and you notice something different in the rooms each time you come in here.
One of my favorites is the size of the room. It's very spacious and bright. There's a beautiful window overseeing West Islip, as well as a private bathroom, a shower in the bathroom, and a beautiful couch so families can feel that they can stay to support their loved ones.
Also a massive TV in the room.
There is.
And OneView, the entertainment system, it's very similar to what you would get if you were checking into a five-star hotel or if you were on a nice flight. If you could talk about the OneView system just a little bit.
Sure, the OneView system really is allowing us to have every amenity at our patients' fingertips. So ordering food, calling for their nurse, asking questions maybe to their provider, really trying to make it as easy for the patient to communicate and be part of their plan of care.
It's all about enhancing the patient experience.
Yes.
Karen, thank you so much for
Oh,
joining me.
thank you. My pleasure.
I'm joined now by the president of Good Samaritan University Hospital, Dr. Justin Lumby. Dr. Lumby, good to see you as always.
Good to see you, Tim.
We are inside this beautiful, spacious, private patient room here in the pavilion at Good Samaritan University Hospital, and we've been talking about these great amenities. What's your favorite part?
Oh my gosh, the OneView for sure. All the entertainment on a 65-inch TV screen.
As the calendar flips to November, we're about 6 weeks away from opening this pavilion. Could you give us a kind of a status update? Where do things stand right now?
Absolutely, Tim. So we are just finishing up the final touches, paint on a few areas, bringing in the last pieces of equipment. Furniture is making its way in, as you can see. So we are ready for December 14th, first patient in the building.
That is amazing, and we can't wait. And we can't wait to bring you another update next week as we count down to the kickoff and opening of the beautiful new Patient Care Pavilion at Good Samaritan University Hospital. Dr. Lumby, thanks.
Great to see you, Tim.